Haiqi 6 MW MSW gasification power generation system, shredded MSW feedstock, drum pre-drying system, pyrolysis gasification system, syngas multi-stage purification system, power generation system, waste-to-water treatment system, water cooling system. Shredded MSW feedstock, MSW sorting and shredder system, shredded MSW to less than 20 cm supply system. Drum pre-drying system, rotary pre-drying system reduces MSW feedstock moisture content to less than 20%. Automated MSW feedstock supply system optimizes efficiency and operation of the system. Gasifier automated supply system, MSW gasifier, using downdraft gasifier, relatively low temperature anaerobic pyrolysis, safety and anti-deflagration, automatic feeding, drying zone, pyrolysis zone, oxidation zone, reduction zone, automatic hydraulic dumping grate, timing automatic ash discharging, automatic ash discharging system, automatic screw ash discharge, then conveyor will deliver ash to ash store room. Water spraying shower, combustible gas temperature is quickly reduced. Cyclone dust collector to remove dust. Tube time condenser, reduce temperature and separate tar and harmful gas. Quadruple cyclone dust collector to remove dust. Condenser and cyclone separator to separate tar. High pressure water cooling draught fan. Suck the syngas. The tar of the gas will be high-speed separation. Multi-stage physical filter. Remove dust, water, tar. Combustible gas testing. Gas will enter storage tank after testing finished. Distributor will safely deliver gas for domestic use by booster pump and relief valve. Internal combustion engine generating system. Gas temperature less than 40 degrees centigrade. Dust content less than 30 mg per cubic meter. Tar less than 25 mg per cubic meter. Water less than 20 mg per n cubic meter. Emission from generator can supply heating to rotary dryer. Waste-to-water treatment system. Water treatment plant cleans the water sufficiently, such that it can be reused in the system. Process includes absorption filtration, biological or chemical electroalkylation treatment, etc. PLC control system. Multi-point monitor. Indoor control system. Visual industrial PC operation, remote monitoring. 500 kW MSW gasification power plant system in Dalian. 100 kW biomass gasification power plant in Congo. .500 kW MSW gasification power plant in Thailand, Genset, combustible gas purification system, MSW not joint, MSW joint system.